everybody. Mrs. B here from the New City Library talking about birds again. I don't know if you've noticed, but we have some that are really big and dark colored, and they glide around up in the air very high in big loops and circles. Don't look too closely though, because they're really not too pretty. In fact, don't get too close if you see them sitting on the ground, and try to sneak up and be quiet, because if you startle them, one of their defenses is to throw up on you. Ew, right? So you don't want to do that. All right, so I'm talking about vultures. There's two kinds that fly around here. One is called a black vulture, and the other is the turkey vulture. And they're kind of easy to tell apart if they're flying low enough. The turkey vultures have red heads, and when they are spread their wings out, the wings down here are all white. The black vulture has a dark, dark gray head, and when their wings are spread out and they're flying, they only have white feathers at the very ends of their wings. They both do a very important job, though. They clean up any animals that have died that are laying around in the woods or on the road or things like that. So these birds protect us from all those germs that would be all around us if those animals were just left there. So I took a little film of some vultures flying very high up, and they were so far away that I really can't tell what kind they are, but I thought the film would help you identify them if you saw them around your house. Then on another day, when it had been raining very hard all day, I saw some up on my neighbor's roof. And they had their wings all spread out, and they were facing the setting sun. And I want you to look at that picture and see if you can tell which kind of a vulture they are, and think about why they might be doing this. Remember, it had been raining all day. So, all right, I hope you enjoy and look out for vultures. See you next time.